Purvakata Sangrahascha Athithi Devo Bhava. Who was Bharadwaja? Bhru. It comes from the dhatu bhru. Bhru mane to hold, to be responsible. So Bharadwaja was taking care of Rama when Rama, Ma Sita or Lakshmana were moving towards Dandakaranya. They stopped at Bharadwaja Muni's ashrama and he took care of them. And you can also, Chamatkar mein, you can also say this. He is the Dwaja for the people who do the responsibility of Bharanam. Isiliye Bharadwaj. Kaisa tha Bharadwaj? This is the one depiction of Bharadwaja Muni. This is the book published from Sri Rangam. So Bharadwaja Muni more or less resembles like the posture which was taken by Upendra, none other than Mahavishnu. He comes with a chhatri. And this man is full of tapas. Valmiki says, people in Chitrakuta and people like Bharadwaj are urdhvaretas. So their Atma leaves through Kapala. Tapasa Kapala Siraso Munihi. So this picture clearly depicts who was Bharadwaj. The Bharadwaj was a Muni who was spending his life on tapas. Rama akanksh karke Ram ko akanksh karke aisa hua, kashta jaisa. Is so much power. The Tejas is seen in his stature. Comes with a chhatri to do swagatam to Rama Lakshmana's Ma Sita. Swagatam te Mahabahu. Swagatam, swagatam. So, a beautiful depiction of Bharadwaj. Mahamuni. He is the one who is the epitome of being a host. Atiti Devo Bhava. So, Ramayan is such a grantha. It is a guidebook for life, which Das always says, and this is one clear example. You have to give everything to be a host. Not only he hosted 3 people, can you believe? Like Sage Vasishta hosted the entire battalion of Dilipa. He not only hosts these 3 people, when Bharata comes, along with Bharata, the entire Ayodhya came, he hosted. Then when Rama returns back to Ayodhya, Rama made sure that even if it is going to be Vilambhitam to meet his Prana Bhrata, Bharata, just at the nick of the time, he sends Maruti, but he makes sure that he again goes to Bharadwaj because he was so touched by the hospitality. That is importance. In Sanatana Dharma mein, Atiti Sarkar ko itna mahatva, Bharadwaj, these people are Pratasmaraniya. So Rama comes to Bharadwaja Muni's